What is Nizoral Shampoo? Nizoral Shampoo is a medicated anti-dandruff shampoo that contains Ketoconazole, an antifungal medicine. Uses Nizoral Shampoo is commonly used for dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis, fungal infections of the scalp caused by yeast, relief from scalp itching, redness, and irritation. How it works. Ketoconazole kills and prevents the growth of fungi and yeast on the scalp, helping to reduce flaking, itching, and inflammation. How to use. Wet your hair and scalp. Apply a small amount of shampoo. Massage gently into the scalp. Leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water. For dandruff, it is usually used twice a week for 2 to 4 weeks or as directed by a doctor. Nizoral Shampoo side effects. Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo contains Ketoconazole, an antifungal medicine used for dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis. Most people tolerate it well, but some side effects can occur. Common side effects: itching or irritation of the scalp, dry or oily hair and scalp, burning or stinging sensation, changes in hair texture, mild hair shedding or hair loss, headache, rare but serious side effects, severe redness or swelling of the scalp, allergic reactions, blistering or peeling of the skin, difficulty breathing or swallowing, requires immediate medical attention.